Hey, bright kids! Can you find the correct head of Peppa Pig and her family? First, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Observe carefully. Can you guess which one is Peppa Pig's head? Take a good look, children. Is this Peppa Pig's real face? Oh no! This isn't Peppa Pig's face at all. Is this Peppa Pig's real face? Oh no! This face does not belong to Peppa Pig. Pay close attention, kids. Is this really Peppa Pig? Oh no! This is clearly not Peppa Pig. Look attentively, kids. Is this the real face of Peppa Pig? Fantastic! This is the right face for Peppa Pig.
Ice cream time!
Hooray! Huh? It's broken!
Oops, silly me! Unplugged it to use the vacuum. There.
Peppa and George love having ice cream after dinner.
Are you ready, kids? Can you guess which face belongs to George Pig? Kids, can you tell if this is George Pig's face? Oh no! This doesn't look like George Pig. Kids, do you think this is George Pig's real face? Oh no! This is not George Pig's correct face at all. Kids, is this the cute face of George Pig? Good job! You identified George Pig's real face.
George, Richard Rabbit is here.
Georgie! Richard! Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Bye-bye, Richard. I'll be back to pick you up later. George and Richard are best friends.
George! Richard!
Kids, now it's Daddy Pig's turn. Can you find the correct head?
Peppa Pig!
Is this the matching head for Daddy Pig? Oh no! Close guess, but it's not Daddy Pig's face. Does this head belong to Daddy Pig? Amazing! You matched the correct head for Daddy Pig.
Oh, what's that smell?
Maybe Alexander's nappy needs changing.
Ugh, disgusting.
Peppa, when you were a baby, you wore nappies.
I did not.
Detective, this is your final task. Match Mummy Pig's head correctly.
Peppa Pig.
Let's try this head and see. Spot on! That's Mummy Pig's correct head.
George, I need some help. I'm making chocolate chip cookies. Someone needs to lick out the bowl.
George likes helping Mummy make cookies.